Hey friends, once you said me that you very interested in Ukrainian customs and traditions and Ukrainian food, of course. Yes, and Christmas is an excuse to do a Ukrainian traditional Christmas dish. And you know that on Святвечер, this is how we translate Christmas Eve, Ukrainians were cooking 12 national traditional dishes according to the numbers of the apostles. So today we will cook the main one.
But what ingredients do we need? Of course, I will take a rice as a basic, and after I will take honey and raisins and sugar and some other ingredients I will tell you further.
And guys, I've decided to run with rice for the purpose because according to the Eastern Central tradition in Ukraine, people from Poltava and Donetsk, Kharkiv were using rice. And I remember how my mom was using rice porridge for Kutya. However, on the western part of Ukraine, people did use the wheat porridge. They are doing it now. And for the western audience, I've decided to use rice because rice porridge is so spread in your countries. Guys, I literally know that you have not so much porridges or not eating so much porridges. So rice, quite frankly, will be suitable for you and more convenient for you to cook. Another ingredients I have for my porridge is poppy seeds, yes, and nuts, guys. People are using actually walnut, but I have only cashew. But that's okay, We adapting our Kutya to the modern realities, so let's go. First we need to do is to put our poppy seeds in the container and put the water in it.
Do not afraid to put your poppy seeds and raisins into the hot water just to make them a bit softer. Water will not do any damage, we need it for recipe for sure.
Guys, we will put our poppy and raisins to stay in the hot water, and after we will do our rice until it's half ready. I will do a portion only for 2 people just to try how it goes, and if it's good, well, I will do more portions on actual Christmas Eve.
Actually, I do not know the exact proportion of water and rice you need for cooking, but you can always add more water into the bowl, do not afraid.
And while we are waiting for our rice to be made half raw, I will do Yorkshire tea, my favorite tea. Guys, please tell me that you can post me some Yorkshire tea if you have it in UK. This is literally my favorite tea. Order it. They said that it's absent on the stock. So I'm only drinking what my friend Trevor have brought me. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Guys, look attentively what is happening after I'm adding hot water into the mug. It's getting hotter too, and we clearly see the image there. Look at this.
So this cup displays the perfect Ukrainian dream. The defeated Kremlin and Taras Shevchenko in the helmet. If you need to add salt, do so. Do it according to your preferences, guys. And I know that some one of you guys have already tried to cook pizza in Christmas. However, I'm not an expert, I'm not a cook, I'm just a beginner, I'm doing it for the first time. So please be gentle to me. Okay, next that we need to do is to blend our poppy seeds and sugar. However, I will cheat and use some blender, yes, just to save time. And of course, housekeepers of the 19th century did not have it. However, we are like modern technology. Okay, I will use this sugar, and I think if my friend Mary is watching this video, she is proud of me because I'm using the brown sugar, completely organic. Cukor. Okay. Just add the poppy seeds.
So we are adding our poppy in the blender with sugar and blend it very hard. I've dared to add butter. I believe it's better, but it's not according to original recipe.
Okay, guys, I'm not an expert, but what happens if we add a little bit of butter? Guys, don't get serious about this recipe. It's like a DIY recipe for reference. You can switch and mix the ingredients as you wish. After I'm adding my raisins, and even if it's not tastes good, I will eat it all.
So you clearly see that it's very easy. We are taking ready rice and mix it with our poppy seeds from the blender and raisin. After we are adding honey, and you can add any honey that you have in the cabinet. Once it all blended and mixed together, people are adding walnuts. In our case, it's cashew.
But it does not matter how it looks, it does matter how it tastes.
But after my trying, it happened that it looks also good. Please check it out.
Very good for the first time. I was really worried, but we made it together. Here's our Kutya and I'm eating it. And in case you like such type of content and you want to support this channel, please proceed to description of this video and find Buy Pal and Buy Me a Coffee link. I appreciate you guys. And in case you want to see more of such videos, I mean Ukrainian food, because Ukrainian kitchen and Ukrainian cuisine is like for experts. I'm only like amateur and I'm only beginner. So Ukrainian food, just put in the comments you like it. And do not forget the word that we have learned today. Kutya, this is the main dish in Ukrainian Christmas Eve, and cukor, this is sugar. Cukor, sugar. You need to spell such like sound like ts, 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 ts. I know it's difficult. There are no sounds like that in your language. I'm struggling also with English words. However, we will do it also together. Cukor, sugar. Cukor, sugar. Cukor. Okay, guys. So put like to this video and share it to your family and friends in case they are cooking something unusual on this Christmas Eve. And see you in the next time.